Enabling biometric login on your NatWest account can enhance your security and make accessing your banking services more convenient. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the NatWest app. Launch the NatWest mobile banking app on your device. Ensure you have the latest version installed for the best performance and security features. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your login credentials, including your customer number and password, to access your account. If you have not registered for online banking, you will need to do so first. Step 3. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, locate the menu icon, usually found in the top corner of the app. Tap on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account preferences. Step 4. Select Biometric Login. In the Settings menu, find the option for Biometric Login or Fingerprint/Face ID Login. Tap on this option to begin the setup process for biometric authentication. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Now you can enjoy the convenience of logging into your NatWest account using your fingerprint or facial recognition.